and welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina, in case you don't know me, and today I'm gonna show you how to do a beautiful hair mask that's going to leave your hair very soft, and it's going to leave it so shiny that you're not going to believe it. Please let me know in the comments, what do you think about this hair mask? It's super easy to make, all the ingredients are very easy to find, and you probably have most of them already. I'm not going to make this intro longer, so let me know in the comments what you think about this hair mask if you try it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any video like this one. I don't measure anything really, so I'm going to give you the ingredients and more or less what I use, but don't worry, you can mix and match to whatever works for you. We're going to use just a squirt of honey. We don't need a lot of honey. You don't want your hair to go sticky, but we do want the properties of the honey, so just a little bit, it's okay. The second ingredient is going to be apple cider vinegar. This is amazing for oiliness in the hair and balancing all the grease that we're going to put as well. We're going to use a banana and avocado, but to be honest, we just need half of each. So go ahead and eat the other half. We don't need it. You'll see that this amount is going to be more than enough for everyone. We're also going to add a little bit of coconut oil. Don't go crazy with this one. We already put avocado, so you don't really need a lot of it. I would say just 1 tablespoon is enough. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of natural yogurt. We want this yogurt as natural as it can be. No Greek yogurt, nothing fancy, just a natural yogurt that has no sugar in it. And that is all, you guys. Those are all the ingredients that you're going to use for this hair mask. The only thing that you do need is a good blender. I love my NutriBullet. I use it for everything, including my hair masks. It just lets me blend everything so quickly without an effort. If you've never used apple cider vinegar, remember that it needs to mix the bottle before. And you want to put enough apple cider vinegar so that you can use the blender without damaging it, okay? I know everything is very soft and there's probably not going to be any problem, but just to be sure, put enough. I mean, not a lot, but enough. And this is the consistency that you want. It's a little bit of a paste. I would say it's a cream. It is a cream. I love to do my hair masks after exercising or just when I have very dirty hair and I know I need to wash my hair anyway, and also when I know I need to do some house chores or something like that and not worry about how I look. You're going to see why in a second. Before you apply it, you really need to brush your hair. You don't want any knots in your hair, and I'm going to tell you why in a minute. So when you apply your hair mask like this, it's great, but it means you're only applying the product in the top layers. So what you really want to do to make sure that you get all the benefits of the hair mask, it doesn't matter which one it is, you want to make sure you're applying it all the way in. So you want to divide the hair, think about it as making a parting, and apply all the product in the roots. So we're going to focus first in the roots, and you need to do this in the back as well. Only in the roots all the way to the back. So if you have knots in your hair, parting this is going to be very difficult and you're not going to enjoy doing a hair mask. So make sure you brush your hair first. Repeat this process, dividing sections of hair and applying the mask in the roots all the way till you finish one side, and then you can do it in the other side. Same way, just dividing sections and applying it in the root all the way to the back. When you finish, divide the hair in half and apply a little bit extra product in the back of your head. And once you're done with the roots, you want to massage a little bit the head. Don't do a lot of friction here, just use the tips of your fingers to make sure that all the hair is soaked in this. You want to divide the hair now in half, put it to the front, and apply extra product in the mids and ends. Remember to soak the ends of your hair, and don't forget to not make any friction in the ends of your hair because that's going to break it. So that's a no-no. I like to put some extra product in the top of my head because the fringe is where I apply most of the heat and more often. So I want to make sure that I'm applying extra product there. And what I do is I just make a bun. It has a lot of product in there, so much that the bun can stay by itself like that. And as you can see, I still have some product left, so don't worry, this is going to be more than enough if you have more hair or even if you have longer hair. You probably don't need to make more than this amount. And for the final touch, you're going to use one of these bags that you pick at the grocery store. This is an optional step, so if you don't have any plastic bag around that you can use, do not go and buy one. I just wanted to reuse one that I had in my house. This is great because it's going to maintain the heat in the head and it's going to make the hair mask to absorb better. But as I said, if you don't have one plastic bag, don't go and get one for this. After this, you only need to wait, leave it at least 15 to 30 minutes. I have left mine for over 4 hours and it's completely fine. Just make sure you're using a good shampoo. And once you wash your hair, you can let it air dry or just dry it as you normally would, like I did here. And by now you should have amazing, silky, shiny hair that you're going to love. Okay guys, what do you think about this hair mask? Isn't it amazing? The end result is hair so shiny and so soft. Please don't forget to leave me in the comments what do you think if you try it, and don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message and some pictures of how your hair looks after this hair mask. I love you all and see you in the next one. Bye!